what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. So today we're going to be installing the Sliplo under bumper guard. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the Sliplo and what comes in it and all that stuff. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so here we have the Sliplo. As you guys can see, stops driveway scrapes, which is gonna come in handy. It says protect under bumper and carbon fiber lips. So let me go ahead and open it for you guys so you guys can see what's inside. So we go ahead and open it. You can see it comes with all the stuff right here. So we got 3 promoters, I think that's what's called. So we see automotive adhesive promoter, promoter, blah blah blah. It comes with 3 of these, 3, and then it also comes with the instructions right here, installation instructions, and it comes with the actual scrape protection thing. So as you guys can see, I think it's polyurethane. I think that's what it's made out of, and it's pretty thick. Let me see if I can focus it. So it doesn't really want to focus, but here it is. This is how thick it is, and it comes with, I believe it comes with 8 pieces per kit. So this one has 8 pieces in there, which should be more than enough to get my bumper done. Now I will say that it's this thing, if you guys want to get this to put it on, you know, on the bottom bumper or lip of your car, it's not cheap, but it's not expensive either. If you guys are wondering how much they go for, I think it's if I remember correctly, it was like $100 for these. So like I said, it's not cheap, but it's not expensive either. I don't know how much like regular skid plates go for, like to protect your bottom lips and whatnot. I don't know how much they go for, but I've seen like a couple that it requires you to drill onto the bumper itself, which one I didn't want to do that because my car, you guys know, it's lowered, and I don't have like I have a jack and all that, but I don't have a jack that's short enough to fit underneath the car and lift it. So, you know, it's better for me to get this than the other way because I didn't want to damage the bumper just to install these. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go ahead and go down to the 3 valve and start the process. So let's get it. I forgot to mention, you are going to need some alcohol. They recommend using 70% isopropyl alcohol. I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, you want 70% alcohol. All right, so now let's go down there. All right, guys, so we're in the 3 valve right now. I didn't want to record outside because there's actually people talking. And like I said, I'm not comfortable recording or talking to the camera when there's people outside. But I'm not gonna go in much detail onto like how to install this. I'm just gonna briefly tell you guys how to do it right now. I mean, it has instructions. Instructions are pretty straightforward. It's not like rocket science or anything, but basically what you want to do is you want to clean the bottom area of the lip where you're going, or the bumper where you're going to be installing that. You want to clean that with alcohol just to remove any like debris / grease from it. And then after that, you're gonna want to let the alcohol dry. Since it is alcohol, it evaporates faster, so it shouldn't take long to dry actually. So once you do that, first measure like the bottom of the lip with the actual like skid pads they gave you to see how much you need and where you want to put it. After that, you apply the adhesive promoter, and then you just put the skid pad on it and just press against it, and pretty much it. So like I said, pretty straightforward. I'm going to just put you guys on the side for a time lapse, and then I'll get back to you guys. So let's get it. All right, so real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys like the area where I scraped already, now that the people that were here aren't here no more. But let me go ahead and show you. So yeah, right here, this is where I scratched it and it really hurt me, but it's not a biggie. And the rest right here is pretty much good, you guys can see. But anyways, let's get to this. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished the bumper guard skits already. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. It took like, I said, like 10 minutes to get like both sides done. But yeah, let's see how it looks. Hopefully I look good. I'm not gonna lie, I did gain like, I don't know, like 20, 25, 30 pounds during quarantine and during my surgery recovery and quarantine, since I had surgery before quarantine. I did gain like 30 pounds and I was like 45% of my muscle mass. But so far I've lost about 15 pounds of fat, and I gained like 20% of the 45% muscle I lost. So, you know, I'm gonna keep hitting the gym, and little by little, hopefully I get back to my average or normal, not normal, but my, I guess like you could say my average body size and whatnot. But that's besides the point. I only said that because my beard's a little puffy and they're making my face look big. But let me go ahead and show you guys the skate guards. If we go down here, you guys can see that we have the bumper guards right here. Comes all the way down here, and right about here I cut it just so it could be straight, or not straight, but so that it could go with the curve. Same with the right over here, and this is where we scraped the first time. Hopefully next time we're gonna come down, because it starts like right here. I might have gone a little bit too back here, but hopefully it comes in and hits right here. The only reason why I hit here was because I kind of went into like a little dip, a little bit too like forward rather than in a little bit less in the angle. But yeah, once I was already done doing like this whole part right here up to here, because normally when it scrapes, it's the majority of the scrapes are like in the corner right here, because this part right here does come down. So majority of scrapes happens right over here, from I'll say from here to there. So I went ahead and did it all the way from the back just in case it does scrape, because I think I have scraped it there before I painted the car. So that's why I started from the back over there all the way to the front here. I did that to both sides, so you guys can see from there all the way to there. I didn't put nothing on the bottom part right here just because I don't really scrape there, and if I do go into a driveway, I'm not gonna come like straight into it. I'm going to angle, so it's either gonna get scrape from the side or driver's side right here or passenger side. And since after doing from right there up to right there, wherever it's at, I was left with 2 strips, and instead of putting those 2 strips in the front, which most likely won't get scraped, I went ahead and just put it in the back right here. Let me show you so you guys can see. Here it is. I went ahead and put it from where the curb is. So right here, this is the second one. So the second one goes from here all, it's a little dark, it got dark, all the way back there. Also, the other side, they come out better because I didn't really realize this until I started working on the passenger side. But the actual skid pad is actually flexible, so you can actually angle it wherever you want. So for example, right here, you guys can see I did cut right here to make individual ones to go down here. But we go over to the passenger side, you can see that this one here literally I just made a curve up to here until it ended. That's pretty much it. It's not really noticeable from the top right here, only a little bit from right here, but you're not gonna be literally right here looking at my car, you know. And for the driver's side, I did mess up. This one does come out a little bit too much, as you guys can see, but you can always go back in there with like a sharp knife or something and just trim it, so it's not really a big deal. All right guys, so this is gonna be the end of the video. I actually finished a couple of things I've been wanting to do. One was obviously the skid guard installation. The other one was kind of for me, the exo bags I have on the SOP, one of them was kind of sticking out a little bit too far. I don't know how it happened. I'm pretty sure it happened when I went ahead and took the 3-valve back to the shop to get the mid pipe reinstalled. So I went ahead and fixed it. I pushed it a little bit back just so it could be like not sticking out like how it was. So we did that, and then I also cleaned out a little bit the 3-valve. And by clean out, I mean like, you know, I just took out some trash that is there that I don't really need, like some papers and whatnot, so I threw that away. And yeah, tomorrow we're gonna be getting the car cleaned by Trap House Detail, so I have to record a new video. Most likely this video will go on before the cleaning detail, whatever you want to call it, video goes up. So yeah, I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and make me something to eat. And with that being said, like always, remember to like the video if you guys enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoyed this type of content and want to see more. And then if you guys want to see a sneak peek / behind the scenes, I guess you could say, / pictures / videos or like basically just want to see what's next on the 3-valve build before I actually even make a video or upload the video, go ahead and follow my Instagram. Link will be in the description below. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.